Hello guys, my name is the Old Mechanic. Welcome back in my shed. I'm still busy on the Triumph Tiger XRX 800 from 2016. And today we're gonna change the spark plugs. Is that easy? Absolute. Can you do it? Yeah, of course. With my video, few tools, I will link in the description. So click on it. You're supporting my channel that way too. Now, I would say come on over and we start. Now guys, I have a bucket. To get to the spark plugs, we need to get the tank off. So, we need to remove the Tupperware. This is Allen, let's see, 5. So. Okay. A bolt with a shoulder. See? Then over here is another bolt for the inner stuff. That's this bolt. See? Over there. Yes. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna put the nut onto it. Take the shorter one. Bit of tension onto it, and up, there he goes. Yes. Yes. A plastic clip. A long time ago, last time did it. Yes, this one out, and there is a bolt with a short shoulder. Okay, wow, with a supersonic washer behind it. Actually, it's a washer of 8. Okay, guys. Now, and then we take it off. Then those two connectors. Okay, so, and we're gonna hang this out of the way, carefully. Over here is another. Okay. Yep. This one. Slide this one down. Hop. Sits with this rubber in there. Easy. Then you got a bolt for the tank. So we're getting there. On the other side we're gonna do the same. Here we have a bolt. I'm gonna take it out. Okay. Yes. Oop. Then we're gonna do the same. Slide it backwards, hop, and we got this one out of the way. Okay. Guys, in here is another bolt. Yes, there he is. Hop, out of the way. This one. Okay, almost. Yes, it's 6 mil with a big shoulder. Hop. Over here is a ball too. There he is. Over here we have a clip. Something like that. And then of screw clips, but just have this fork and then it's easy. Take this Tupperware away. Over here is a ball tool with that enormous washer. Yes. See, this is a big hole and don't know why, but they mounted the big washer. Okay, then slide this one down and we have here, maybe you can see it, 2 connectors, up 1, 2, out of the way. Now guys, over here is a bolt. It's for the tank. And okay, let's see if nothing drops out. I don't think so. On the other side is the same. So, same bolt, same position. Guys, this you can click away, if that's a good, and I do a rubber band around here, this one around here, so, and now, guys, over here, underneath the tank are 2 hoses. I'm gonna get them off. It's a bit difficult to get it on camera, but you have to believe me. These 2, these, can't forget them. Those are my remember tire wraps. So. Got a piece of wood. I'm gonna put it underneath here. Now, so. Then guys, first we have to remove this clip thing, hop, like that. Then I have this pinch plier, and then guys, Yes. One is over here. The other one is over there. So now this one. Yes. Now we can up, take the tank away. Next time I have to tell my friend not to fill it. Guys, when you put the tank onto the ground like this, be sure to place a block of wood underneath there, because as you can see there is your plastic tube for your petrol and it leans onto that. So be careful not to place it on a flat ground. Place it like this. Let's see. To get the spark plugs out. That one over there. That one over there. We have to loosen them a bit. See? Here comes this one too. Up. Okay. Up. This one out of the way. To be sure, I don't forget it. Okay. Now guys, this one out of the way. Then this one and this one and of course this one. Gonna mark them so I know. Yes. We have also this one. Hop. Now, first thing we're gonna do is clean it. There's a lot of sand. As you know by now, I hate sand.